Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore forms in Squarespace using form submissions and templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore forms in Squarespace using form submissions and templates, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu and select the Pages section. Locate the page that contains the form you wish to restore. Click on the page to open the editor. Next, find the Add Block option and select it. In the block menu, scroll down and select the form block. You will see various form templates to choose from. Select a template that closely matches your original form design. Click on the template to insert it into your page. Now, customize the fields in the form according to your needs. You can add or remove fields as necessary. To access previous submissions, return to the home menu. Select the Forms section to view all your form submissions. Locate the form whose submissions you want to restore. Click on the form to open the Submissions overview. Here, you can see a list of submissions that have been received. If you need to reference specific submission data, select the desired submission. You can also export the submissions if you wish to keep a record. Now, return to your newly created form on the page you're editing. In the form settings, ensure that the email address for notifications is correctly set. This will allow you to receive responses when the form is filled out. Once satisfied with the form, click Save to apply your changes. Preview the page to ensure your restored form displays correctly. Test the form to ensure all fields function as expected. If any adjustments are needed, return to the form settings for corrections. After finalizing, publish the page to make the form live. This completes the process of restoring forms in Squarespace using form submissions and templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.